Okay, so this is the room I'm working with. Got my little light in here. So if I get on the ground and go in, there you go. Okay, so I have my socket, my extension, and a swivel socket, and my tool, just to get back there. So you might have to do that. Let me see if I can get this hard one out. I want to get back in here to get to the other side of this. I don't have any like wiggle room space in here without taking the wheel off. So I think I'm gonna lift it, take the wheel off, then get back in here and try to take the front bumper off. Yay! So I've lifted the car, taken off the wheels. They're piled over there. The 3 screws, there's one like, I don't know, here, 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 1, 2, 3. I wanna take out this liner so that I can get to the back of this. And you won't take the whole thing out because it goes the whole wheel well, but just part of it, enough to get to where we're going. There's also this. If we go straight up, this is a 10. So I chose to take this bolt on the top of the wheel arch out. You don't have to, but I just wanted to give myself some wiggle room when removing the plastics to kind of just pull everything aside without tearing it or damaging anything. This piece here is what we want to take. It looks like I'm already missing most of the bolts anyways. So I'm just gonna untuck things. Oh, I've got a bolt right here. I'm gonna grab that guy. I loosened this bolt off camera. Woo! Now we can see where we're going back here, hopefully. Okay, so here's the wheel well liner that I just pulled out. We're gonna come in here. Okay, now there's 3 rusty bolts. There's that one right here, and then there's another one right there, and then way up here is this one, which you will find needs an extension and a swivel, and I'm barely getting the camera in there, but it is a pain in the tuchus to get to. I know just because the camera is there, it seems like it's easy to get to, but it's not. Oh, and there's no room to actually ratchet because there's the windshield wiper fluid in the way. There's not a lot of room to move around. Everything's in the way. I need a swivel. I got a swivel socket. Hopefully that'll help me. We'll see. Okay, it's a 10. See how tight the space is though? I'm not having a lot of wiggle room. I can't go far. I'm gonna have to lay on the floor and do this. It might be easier. Yes! Oh my God, got the first one off. Look how rusty that is. Okay, let's do the second one. Sounds like fun, doesn't it? can just twist the rest of it off now for the second one. Yay, okay. Second one's out. Third one, let's see if I can get to it from where I am. I can get it on there, but I can't rotate anything. Okay, so I'm gonna get an extension to bring it out here so I can actually twist, because there's not room in there. Okay, so this is the room I'm working with. Got my little light in here. So if I get on the ground and go in, there you go. Okay, so I have my socket, my extension, and a swivel socket, and my tool, just to get back there. So you might have to do that. And then you can see here, there's one I've already done, and then the other one I've already done is right down here. So there are those. Let me see if I can get this hard one out. This is deceptive. And the video makes it look like there's actually space in here. There's not space. Promise you there's not. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. If you want to remove this turn signal light right here, you probably can, if you're into that. And you might want to remove this turn signal too. If you do decide to remove the side marker, you're just going to want to twist it upwards and pull it out. And then just to put it back in, there's little notches on it, and you just want to click it in and twist it, and then the notches will hold it in. I got it. Yes. And we're out. That was the least rusty one. Okay, so this side, in theory, is no longer attached. We get to do the other side. Woohoo! We need to take these guys out along the top. These are a 10. Okay, and then there's one more, and then the bumper should come off. All right, now there were some pegs, so if we pull straight back off the pegs, the bumper should come off. And I'm kind of lifting up on the top here of the lip. And we need to take the lights out here. All right, so I'm gonna just turn this. The light bulb's gonna pop out. And we're gonna do that on the other side. Let's see if I can get this side. Okay, we're gonna take this. We're just literally gonna twist it. Like so. It's gonna let go. It's just gonna pop out. Woo. The bumper is off. Love it. So fun fact, The little rubbers around the inside lights here actually attach to the bumper, not to the lights. But on the other ones, the exterior ones, they attach to the lights with these really terrible. Where's this bumper gonna go? It needs to be out of my way. Out of my way, girl. Out of my way. Why are we leaking fluids? Uh-oh. Oh goodness, y'all. I can't even get the camera to where I need it to be for this. I've scratched myself up. No, I don't have shoes on. What about yourself?